Alright, so this is almost through digging the ditch here on the outside right here. And as you can see, it's just piled up like that. Each shovelful leaves a lot of nice open spaces in between where, you know, this soil will probably settle in a lot and, you know, wash down a little through there, as will these clogs will break up and fill in a little bit. But it just gives it a nice, you know, a little bit more habitat in there. And the organic material will be, you know, the mulches will be filling in there and, you know, enriching the whole soil through that and having a little bit more height and depth changes like that. And so just kind of the excess soil, like say this part right here, you know, the roughened part that didn't get, where it's like cleanly dug right here, and then you take the shovel and kind of clean out the remaining bits like that. They're just, you know, piled up in the middle where it's loose soil to get it highest in that point right there. And so I'm gonna have to bury this shoot right here that's from the rootstock, and I'm just gonna bend it down basically right there, cover it with soil, tuck it into probably want some of these crevices right here, and then increase the soil above the graft, and then wound it above. Just make some slices parallel with the trunk from the slices on each side above that graft, so it'll encourage it to root out from the main variety. And just wanted to give this as a kind of a midway point and update, and just these basically are lined up. I just start with this inside ring about maybe 1.5 feet, 2 feet away from the trunk, and then just making rings around that. And it's higher ground on this side, so I actually probably take some of these 3 right here, and it dips kind of to the lowest point kind of right over here. And so I'll probably take these and maybe even pile it on around this edge just to elevate it.